Greetings to you all. Welcome back to our video session. Mr. Karthikeyan here, mentor in NEET, Botany and Zoology subjects. In this video session, I had bought for you unique topic that is called Krebs cycle. Krebs cycle is a part of respiration, aerobic respiration mechanism. In aerobic respiration, first phase is glycolysis. Already I have done a video on this topic, glycolysis. That is first phase. This is the second phase. In the glycolysis cycle, at the end, two molecules of pyruvic acids are formed. Those two molecules of pyruvic acids enter into mitochondrial matrix. Glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm of the cell. Krebs cycle takes place in the matrix of the mitochondria. This Krebs cycle is discovered by the scientist and his team, Sir Hans Krebs, because they have awarded with Nobel Prize, that entire team. So Krebs cycle also known as Sir Hans Krebs cycle. In this Krebs cycle, the first stable product is formed that is called citric acid. So it is also called citric acid cycle. Here this citric acid, it contains 3 carbons because Krebs cycle is also known as TCA cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle. Krebs cycle, Hans Krebs cycle, or citric acid cycle, or tricarboxylic acid cycle. These are the different names. In this cycle also there are 10 steps involved. I will explain you one by one, and 10 enzymes are also involved in each step or reaction, and byproducts also formed, and special products are involved in the reaction, and some type of products are liberated or released from the reaction. So get ready, I shall start now. Krebs cycle firstly starts with acetyl CoA. Here, pyruvic acid is converted into acetyl CoA with the help of different combination of the products. I shall tell that in one short video, not in this video. So here our Krebs cycle will be started with acetyl CoA, coenzyme A, CoA nothing but acetyl CoA combines with OAA, oxaloacetic acid or oxaloacetate. Acetyl CoA combines with OAA and it gives rise to citric acid formation. This is the first step in the Krebs cycle. This citric acid is a tricarboxylic acid because this is called a TCA cycle. Acetyl CoA combines with OAA and gives rise to form the citric acid. Here one enzyme is involved that is called citrate synthetase or synthase. Citrate synthetase is involved in this reaction. In next step, citric acid will be converted into isocitric acid. Citric acid converted into isocitric acid. Here the second enzyme is involved that is called aconitase. First one citrate synthetase, second enzyme aconitase. Then in third step, isocitric acid is converted into alpha ketoglutaric acid. Isocitric acid is converted into alpha ketoglutaric acid. Here the enzyme which is involved, that is isocitrate dehydrogenase. Isocitrate dehydrogenase, the enzyme is involved, and in this reaction one molecule of carbon dioxide is liberated. So that is called decarboxylation. One carbon dioxide molecule is liberated or eliminated from the reaction. And NADP is involved and NADH is formed or liberated. Remember. So this entire sequence is comes under third step. The next alpha ketoglutarate acid, again it will be converted into succinyl CoA. Alpha ketoglutarate acid converted into succinyl CoA, coenzyme A, CoA. Next, here an enzyme that is involved, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase, fourth enzyme, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. Then here one more CO2 is liberated in this reaction and NAD plus involved and NADH is liberated. Then coming to succinyl CoA is converted into succinate or succinic acid, pyruvic acid, oxalate acid. So, 8 means acid, remember. Then here, malic acid. Succinyl CoA will be converted as succinate. The enzyme succinyl CoA synthetase. Succinyl CoA synthetase, that enzyme. And here, GTP will be liberated. One GTP will be liberated. GDP is involved and GTP is liberated in this reaction. Later, succinate will be converted into fumarate. Succinate into fumarate. And the enzyme is succinate dehydrogenase. Then here, FAD is involved and FADH2 is liberated. FAD is involved and converted into FADH2. The next reaction, fumarate or fumaric acid converted into malate or malic acid. Fumarate converted into malate. Here an enzyme is involved that is called fumarase. And here one molecule of water is added in the reaction. That is called hydration. Addition of water molecule in the reaction is called hydration. Then malate is again finally converted into OAA, oxaloacetic acid or oxaloacetate. Malate converted into OAA. Then here malate dehydrogenase enzyme is involved in this reaction and NAD plus is involved and NADH is liberated. Then again this OAA combines with one more acetyl CoA and again citric acid, vice versa. The cycle will be repeated. So these all reactions or steps takes place in the cycle is known as Krebs cycle or Hans-Krebs cycle or TCA cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle. Then here these NADH and FADH2 whatever formed here in this cycle or in these all reactions, these are enters into electron transport chain. That is the third phase and final phase of aerobic respiration or cellular respiration. After that electron transport chain, at the end the ATPs are formed or synthesized or produced. I hope everybody you understood this brief information regarding Krebs or TC or tricarboxylic acid cycle. Thank you. In one more video I shall meet you. Till then, thank you. Signing out, Mr. Karthikeyan here.